Well, hello and welcome to an unboxing of the Fujitsu SnapScan ix100. Not going to worry with too much commentary because I know what you're here for. It's what's in the box. So here's some warranty info right there. Just in case you're wondering whether or not this would lead to a new lifestyle. Turns out it's here to enrich your life, so as it says, let's get started. This is probably a guide on how to enrich your life. Safety precautions, do not eat, etc. Stick in your ear. Something about establishing a LAN connection, which I probably will read actually. And some license code, probably shouldn't show that. Stuff's falling everywhere, my warranty. Okay, great. I feel like we're now, we've done the compliance part. Let's get to the actual thing. The handy USB thing. Looks like the old style USB connector there. Probably if you're going to have this on your desk, I expect you'll need some kind of extension cable to get to a computer, unless it's your laptop right next door to it. Anyway, it's very well packaged, so we'll go in. It's got a nice weight to it. It's the device, very compact. Probably gonna. Actually, it's really well packaged and will probably survive shipping if you're going to get it that way. Shout out to Landmark Computers on Queen Street in Melbourne who had this in stock. So, I'm not seeing a power connector. So I'm guessing that it's really designed to be mobile, and it's going to charge on that USB there. Probably all the more reason to get an extender or perhaps a longer cable. If you have other devices, probably you're going to just reach into that bucket of connectors you're probably accumulating for these sorts of things. So here's the thing, for the unboxing I'm wondering if it's going to come with a charge. This is probably the point at which I would want to read the instructions and do things properly, but what the hell. So, here we go. Install software before plugging in the scanner. Good advice. So, anyway, probably we'll do it in two parts. This is the unboxing part, and we might do a little first test video once we've kind of get it set up and dutifully obeyed all the instructions. But maybe now I'm drifting off camera with my sticker peeling. Anyway, so there you go. There you have it. Snappy unboxing of the ScanSnap ix100. It's a nice looking device. So I'm going to resist the urge to leave that on indefinitely. Does it come with a charge? No. Okay, there we go. So don't have the scales, but it says it's going to weigh about 400 grams. It's very compact. I guess if I was putting it in the carry bag or taking it to and from work, then I'd probably want to have a cover for this for transport, just so that you don't get crud in the channels in and out, and you don't want things like this cool little lid just kind of randomly opening. Lots of opportunities to collect crud in that, so yeah, probably going to be an issue on your desktop too with dust, etc. but it's a nice looking device, and I look forward to testing it out.